Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Today is our last day in New York. We are flying back to the UK this afternoon. So I just thought I'd give you a quick tour of the room. We stayed at the Empire Hotel in Manhattan and it's been pretty good, no complaints. So yeah, let me show you around. This is what the room looked like. We've got a fridge, safe, some hanging space, all the rubbish, table, bed, suitcases, we're ready to go. And then you have a big mirror here. Hi, that's me. And the view. Hi guys, so we're about to meet two of my friends from Toronto who just so happened to be in New York at the same time as us. They were only here for the weekend, yesterday and today, they're leaving today, and it's just such a coincidence that they're here at the same time. Last time I saw them was 3 years ago, so I'm so excited! Good to see you. Hello. You're so soft. You're like teddy bear. Look guys, I found some Canadians. Hi. I'm gonna take a photo, but you have to stand in different parts of the rocks. Oh, okay, where? So, Ernie, stay there. We'll do terrace. Mags, go a little bit there. Ash, come a little bit forward. And I'm gonna go there. Right. Because you've got the city in the background, is really cool.
Do we need to crouch or stand is fine?
That's the Balto dance, the duck dance.
Oh.
The so is it duck, but with a long neck?
Swan?
It's not a goose. It's a goose.
Yes. Uncle Boris.
Yeah, Uncle Boris.
Yes, I love Uncle Boris.
What is this movie?
You need to watch it. It's Uncle Boris and then the two polar bears. I forgot their name. They're like not feeling hot or something.
Oh wow. Exactly. Wow, right?
That is beautiful.
Very nice.
Let's see the negative.
You can take a picture, but I cannot give it to you.
No, I wanted to film it.
And
See you soon. Bye. Let's go. He's so cute. Yeah. Guys, we're on the taxi to the airport. No, I'm taking a video, sorry. I'm a vlogger. Just saying that we're leaving New York now. That's it guys, the end of the trip. We're off to JFK. It's been such a good week. So that's it guys, we're now at the airport, ready to board our flight. We've got like an hour to go. I am exhausted. Didn't sleep very well last night, but I don't usually sleep well when I'm flying the next day. Ash is waiting for a burger, which we're gonna devour, and then we're gonna head to the gate so that we can board on the plane and sleep. Anyways, thank you so much for coming on this journey with us. I hope you've enjoyed exploring New York. I hope you've seen new places that you hadn't seen before, and I hope it's brought a smile to your face, because at the end of the day that's what's most important to me. So yeah, I'm gonna be logging off, but I hope you have a good day. Stay awesome, be yourself, and I'll see you very soon with new videos. Bye guys!